What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert vertices to coordinates. So a vertex is a point where two or more lines meet. We are going to use ArcMap, and then we are going to use the same ArcMap also to convert the points into Excel. So I'm going to just open up ArcMap application, and then so this is the shapefile that we have, and it's a line feature. So we are going to convert these to points and then generate the coordinates of the vertices. So let me just add up the data. So now we have you can see that these are lines, and if we try to explore and check, now you can see this one, we need to split. So the first step is to split the lines. Just open up the Arc toolbox, and then in the meantime you can so go to Arc toolbox, and then data management, and go to features, expand, and then we want to split line at vertex. So split line at vertex, double click on that, split line at vertex, and then add the shapefile that we have. So going to give it a name, say parcel, and click save, click OK. So the process is ongoing, and it's complete. So we have this, and then we don't need this anymore. We can just delete that. So if I check again, I can see now the lines are split, and we can now find or generate the points. So we're going to generate points at each and every vertex, and then we convert that to coordinates. Now if we can open up the properties and have a look at the coordinate system. You can see now the coordinate system are in UTM zone 37 south. Now to convert this to all these vertices to points, open up again Arc toolbox, and go to data management tools, and go to features again, and double click on this feature vertices to points, and what we have is this one here. Add the shapefile, and you can specify the location of shapefile and say just give it any name, points, and save. Click OK. Now we see we have all the points. We have generated the required points. Now if we open up the attribute table, you can see now we have that. I can just right click, and don't want to have too many fields. Just going to get rid of that and delete that, and delete. So I can also delete this. so that cannot be deleted. Let's add a new field. Add a field and give it a name. Let's say you want to call it just call it station or name, just name. We're going to name our points, and our points text, not text, yes, text, just name it text, and 10 is okay, the length of the text, and add another field, for ID. So go to options and add another field, call it ID. This is a short integer, and click OK. So I'm going to move this and select everything, the whole column, and right click, then field calculator, Python, and then we're going to say that field equals to FID, this one here, plus plus 1. Now guys, we want to add the name for these points, and we are going to do it automatically instead of creating like say PT1, PT2. We are going to use right click and go to use, we are going to use field calculator, and the passage select, choose Python, just double quotes, and then PT, double quotes again, plus let's convert this ID column to text, double quotes, and then double click on ID and add double quotes and click OK. Now you can see you have all these points automatically labeled. Now if you want to add, we're going to also add 2 more fields, but automatically you're going to add the coordinates. For coordinates, we're going to use, just go to data management again, and data management, and go to features again, double click on add XY data coordinates. We want points, and then you select the point features that we just converted and click OK. Now so the process is complete. Let's have a look at the attribute table once more. If we open the attribute table, you can see the points have been converted to. So if I right click, I want to change the name of this header. I'm going to right click, properties, and alias. I'm going to change that to easting, and then round off to, I'm going to reduce that to 2 decimal places. Click OK, click apply, and then OK. The same process for Y. Change alias to nothing, and then reduce the decimal places to 2. Click apply, and then click OK. So we have the coordinates of all the points. Now you need to generate these in Excel. In order to do that, we want to export that to Excel. Right click, go to open the Arc toolbox again, go to conversion tool and Excel tool, and now you're converting a table to Excel. Double click on that, go to points. So it's going to convert the attribute table to Excel, and then choose the output where I want to store the Excel. So just say coordinate, or just say and click save, click OK. So that is complete. If you double click on this and open up the Excel, we can see now we have the coordinates of all these points. So you can go ahead and clean up the Excel as you want, and then that's it for this tutorial, and I hope we've learned something from it. So see you in the next tutorial.